All right, welcome back. So tonight's dinner is going to be quick. It is sloppy joe. Consists of manwich, hamburger buns, and I have my ground beef. Easy peasy. Quick, simple, and we got chips. So we're gonna be trying these new chips out. That's all. I'm hungry, so we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna jazz it up a little bit by adding some cheese, probably a little bit of tomato sauce. Again, stay tuned. Sloppy Joe. Here's some seasonings that I use, because you make sure you season your meat. I love this seasoning. It's Taco Bell seasoning, a little bit of ranch, a little bit of seasoned salt, and you season your meat to the way you like it. So I drained my meat. So make sure you drain the excess grease off of your ground beef. I'm gonna add a little bit of Rotel. Here is the sloppy joe mix. Again, make sure you drain the meat. So here is my sloppy joe. Again, this was the sloppy joe mix. I'm gonna add just a little bit of marinara, and you can season it the way you like. So I'm gonna sloppy joe. So here are the buns. I'm gonna toast the buns. You don't have to toast your buns if you don't want to. You just eat regular hamburger buns, but I'm gonna toast it. All right, here's my sloppy joe mix, ground beef and the mix, and there are my buns. So we're about to put it together. Let's see it. Here's the finished product. We're gonna add the chips. There is the sloppy joe. All right, so this is the sloppy joe. Quick, easy, peasy sloppy joe. So I'm gonna call it a mister. I'm probably not gonna eat but half. Save the other half for mine. Sloppy joe. Quick, easy, sloppy joe. All right, so we're trying these Lay's Korean style fried chicken chips. First time, the Lay's Korean style fried chicken chips. Let's get into it. You know I have to smell. All right. Here we go. The Lay's The mine has one. Smells like something Korean. Bold kick.
Mm-hmm.
Very flavorful.
Yeah, when you bite into it, you can definitely get the hints of the barbecue flavor. But yeah, definitely has a kick to it though.
Definitely have a kick. Korean style flavored chicken. Now, I'm trying to get the chicken flavor. That's what it looks like. Does have like a little after kick, like a little spice.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm still trying to get the chicken. Still trying to get the chicken. Still trying to get the chicken flavor. Scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably give a 7.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't taste the chicken.
The same. I'll go with 7.
Cheers. It tastes like it's Mountain Dew, but it tastes like Mountain Dew mixed with Cold Red and the Baja.
Yeah. I'll give it about like 6.5. It has a kick to it though.
It has a kick. I would probably give it a 6.
Yeah, I give it a 6.5.
Probably won't get it again.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.